my people, back again with another how much height do they add. So this video, all I'm going to do is literally explain roughly. Please don't hold me to you must add this much height. So roughly how much height this trainer adds to you. So this is the Saucony ProGrid Omni 9. So I'm going to have a try to see how much height they add to someone. The way I usually check is literally just by kind of doing it by eye. So this bit is literally level, so that's quite decent there. And then I'm going to give you a rough idea of how much height this will add by using my trusty tool. So right here we got 1.5 inches, or 38 millimeters, 3.8 centimeters roughly, 1.5 inches. If you wanted to take it from here, it would be a bit less, so about 1.27 inches, about 32 millimeters in height. So they definitely do add an inch, might be just a bit more than an inch. I can't say for certain unless I, like other comments have said, cut the shoe in half, etc, etc. But yeah, this video is just to give you a rough idea how much height they add, not trying to do cutting shoes in half, because that's not what I do. If you want to cut the shoes in half and do the video, be my guest and I'll watch, but I won't. So yeah, roughly about an inch, inch and a half in height. They'll definitely increase on you. So if you are 5'11", it'll make you 6 foot. But yeah, check out all the other videos, check out the review for this pair, check out the on foot for this pair, check out all the other how many heights or how much heights do they add. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hype up the video, and take care, my people.